feeling very weird, guys. It's like there's having an earthquake. I don't know, maybe it's just the way I feel. Well, this past January, guys, there has been like five cases of fire here in Cebu City.